Hello viewers, this is Kullan Patru and I shall discuss on a very good topics. The topic is how to speak fluently, how to speak in front of public. In my own opinion, I am what is my experience on public speaking is that because I have um, spoken on so much meeting actually in different situations, and people asked me to speak something about that matter. And the most important thing is that the speaker would be the point of attraction of the public, of the audience, and how it is possible. How you can make yourself the point of attraction. There are some elements while we are speaking on public, there are some elements are there. Your voice, your speaking, your gesture, your confidence level, and your control over the content, and your interaction with the people, with the audience. And most of the case I have seen in my experience that in a public speaking, if the speakers speak fluently and speak on his own without interacting with the public frequently, then it is most boring. And there are most important factor is that spice is that in a public speaking. First of all, I am telling is that I am just telling on my own experience, own view, because I have spoken I have given a lecture on some issues in different meetings also, and there are so many publics also, not thousands, but not less than 50 public. In front of those public, I have spoken so many times a few years ago, and at that time I was running a group, a huge group. And so what I have felt is that in a public speaker, the public speaking, the speaker should be the point of attraction of all the audience first, and second is that the speakers, the whatever content or topics over the speaker will speak, the contents must be very clear to the speaker. And the third element is that the speaker should be more confident while speaking. And the fifth is that the speakers should have to be interact with the audience sometimes in a smiling, in a laughing manner. And there is one most dangerous point I shall not mention here, but these topics should be mentioned first. I have told that the content on which the speaker will speak on, that content should be very clear to the speaker so that audience can easily catch it in their mind. Second, the confidence level of the speaker should be so that he can communicate, he can confidently implant his view, implant his idea to the audience very clearly, very easily. And third point is that speaker should be sometimes interact with the audience laughingly, in a laughing manner, in a smiling manner, so that audience sometimes laugh at, whole audience sometimes laugh at on your on your speech while you are speaking. And this, if you frequently make some some speech so that the audience laugh and they will relieve from tension or from boring, and they will more attractive to you to learn, to listen your views. And that is the point, that is the tricks. And there are so many tricks are to be followed. In a nutshell, I am telling you that the first, you have to control over the topics in which you are going to discuss. And second, you have to be a magnet. You will have to be a point of attraction, and so you should display your gesture, your movement in such a manner. In all respect, there will be a flow of confidence in your movement, in your gesture, in your speaking. There will be a flow of confidence that will catch by the audience. Third is that you have to interact with the audience, and whatever not on the topics, but the topics related something, so that the audience can sometimes joy or laugh, and a huge laughter burst out in the audience. So that is there are some points, and there are so many points, and in this short video it cannot be possible to discuss. First, you have to you have to be sound knowledge, you have to be sound knowledge over the content. Second, your movement, your gesture, your voice should bear confidence, and that will catch by the audience. And third, you have to interact with the people, those who are listening, and in such a manner that the people would have more attractive, and they will sometimes laugh. And laughing, if you laugh the audience, if you can make them laugh, their tiredness of listening my voice, their tired boringness will be clear, and they will be more energetic. And third point, and one other secret point, is that you should know that excitement would be reflected from your speech. And do you know that excitement is contagious? We know that contagious disease. This disease is contagious. But do you ever listen that excitement is contagious? And I shall discuss later on the laughter is the best medicine. Here is also excitement. If you become excited in your speech, if you become stressfully throw your voice, throw your topics to the audience, this excitement will always infuse on the audience mind, and they will be more excited. And if you once implant the excitement among the audience, they will be more interested to listen to you. There are so many points, secret points, I will not disclose here. But this much, it is my own experience, own life experience, because I was a speaker, and I have learned from many peoples that I am really a very good speaker.